Good morning, fifth graders. I'm going to go over the topic 13.3, Write Numerical Expressions Google form from yesterday, March 26th. So the first problem, it says find the product of 16, 3, and 29, and then subtract 17. So product, I know that stands for multiplication. Subtract 17, so minus 17. Okay, and then this part, and then that's really big because that means that we're subtracting last. It says do all of this and then subtract 17. So we are finding the product of 16, 3, and 29, which means we are multiplying 16, 3, and 29, and then subtracting 17. So the only one that matches that would be this option, this second option right here. This first option is really close, but if you look, the 17 minus 17 should be at the end. And also, I told you to check your signs. These are addition signs, not multiplication signs. All right. Same thing with this one. It has the minus 17 at the end, but there's an addition sign right there to try to trick you. All right. So that's the answer to the first one, second option. Let's look at the second problem. It says, find 3 times the sum of 8.5 and 12. So sum means addition. And then 8.5 and 12. So we're adding 8.5 and 12. And then what we're doing after we're adding 8.5 and 12, then we're multiplying it, because times means multiplication, by 3. So the only one that fits that, adding 8.5 and 12 and multiplying by 3, would be this option right here. 8.5 times 12, or 8.5 plus 12 times 3. Let's look at the next one. It says add the quotient of 120 and 6 to the difference of 72 and 9. So difference, remember guys, means subtraction, and you're subtracting 72 and 9. And then quotient means division. So you're dividing 120 and 6. And then the very last step is that you're going to add this plus this. So the quotient of 120 and 6, or 120 divided by 6, plus 72 minus 9. And the only one that fits that description is right here. So this had a lot of words, and you just kind of had to break it down into chunks. All right, the next one, or the last one, it says subtract 13 from the product of 9 and 3. So product means multiplication. And so that means product of 9 and 3, we are multiplying 9 and 3. And then remember I said in the video earlier, subtract 13 from. This word from basically means that you're going to take this 13 right here and add it to the back of your expression. So you're finding the product of 9 and 3, and then you're subtracting 13 from this. So whenever you see that word from, the number that is always in front of the word from, put it in the back of your expression. So let's look. The product of 9 and 3, well, this one has the product of 9 and 3, and this one has the product of 9 and 3. These two are automatically incorrect because they don't show 9 and 3 being multiplied. This one has 13 in the front. This one has 13 in the back. I see the word from, and 13's right in front of it. So that means 13 has to go in the back of my problem. All right. So the only one that fits that is this.